Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your science teacher of class 1. Open your book, page number 66, chapter number 14, Our Beautiful Body. Parts of our body. Look at the picture. Head, ears, eye, nose, ear, mouth, tongue. Arm, hand, leg, foot. Allah has given us a beautiful special body. We have two eyes, see things with our eyes. We have two ears, we hear with our ears. We have two hands, we work with our hands. We have two legs, we walk and run with our legs. We have a tongue, we taste with our tongue. We have a nose, we smell with our nose. We have a mouth, we eat with our mouth. Different body parts perform different functions. See the page number 67, activity. Identify and write the names of the given body parts. Eye, we can see with our eyes. Ear, we can hear with our ear. Nose, we can smell with our nose. Mouth, we can eat with our mouth. Tongue, we can taste with our tongue. Hand, we can do work with our hand. Leg, we can walk and run with our leg. These are some parts of our body. Color and write one function of each. Ear, ear is used for hearing. Mouth is used for eating. Leg is used for walking. Arm is used to do work. Hand is used for holding. Foot is used for walking. Eye is used for seeing. Tongue is used for tasting. Nose is used for smelling. Do these activities in your book. See the page number 69. Take true or false for the following statements. Number 1. We have a beautiful and special body. This statement is true. Number 2. We smell with our ears. This statement is false because we smell with our nose. Number 3. We use legs to walk. This statement is true. Number 4. We see things with our mouth. This statement is false. We see things with our eyes. Number 5. We drink with our mouth. This statement is true. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. We see with the help of our dash. We see with the help of our eyes. Number 2. We hear with the help of our dash. We hear with the help of our ears. Number 3. We smell with the help of our dash. We smell with the help of our nose. Number 4. We eat with the help of our dash. We eat with the help of our mouth. Number 5. We taste with the help of our dash. We taste with the help of our tongue. Do these words in your book. Draw a margin line, mention date, chapter number 14, Our Beautiful Body. Question number 1. Write down the names of any 5 parts of our body, question mark. Answer is 5 parts of our body are hands, eyes, legs, nose and tongue. Question number 2. What is the use of our eyes, question mark. Answer is we see with the help of our eyes, full stop. Question number 3. What is the use of our legs? Question mark. Answer is we walk and run with the help of our legs, full stop. Question number 5. Which part of your body helps to smell things? Question mark. Answer is nose is the part of our body which helps us to smell things, full stop. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work on time. Submit it on coming Thursday. Allah Hafiz.